So if you're trying to get married to an Igbo man, that Igbo man that is striking you, please accept him. This shouldn't stop you from getting married to an Igbo man, because now you know what to call your father-in-law and what to call your mother-in-law. In today's video, we will be learning about the members of the family. Members of the family. Kani bido. Let's begin. Members of the family. Members of the family. Which is ndị nọ n'ezinụlọ. Ndị nọ n'ezinụlọ. The first one we have is nne. Nne. It's just a 3-letter word. Nne for the mother. Mother. Nna. Nna. Father. Father. Nne. Mother. Nna. Father. We can see that the difference between the two words is just the E and the A. The E for the mother, the A for the father. Nne, mother. Nna, father. So when you want to personalize it, you say nnem, nnem, which means my mother. Nnam, my father. We have nwa, nwa, nwa for the child. Nwa, child. Ụmụaka, ụmụaka, ụmụaka for children, or you can say ụmụ for children. Ụmụaka, children. Ụmụ, children. So for one person it is nwa. For many, 2 or 3, it is ụmụaka. Ụmụaka for children. We have ụmụnne. Ụmụnne for siblings. Ụmụnne, siblings. So the word is literally translated as ụmụ for children, then nne, mother, meaning children of my mother. Children of my mother, which is siblings. Children of my mother, my siblings. Ụmụnne, my siblings. Ụmụnne gị, your siblings. Ụmụnne gị, your siblings. The gị as in your. Ụmụnne gị, your siblings. Nwanne nwoke. Nwanne nwoke, which means brother. So it is translated as nwanne, that is the child of my mother. Nwoke, telling us that it is a male. The child of my mother, that is a male, is my brother. The child of my mother, a male brother. So nwanne, the child of my mother. Nwanne, 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 nwoke, brother. So for me to personalize it, I say nwannem nwoke. The m showing that is mine. M. Nwannem nwoke, my brother. Nwanne nwanyị. Nwanne nwanyị, sister. Nwanne nwanyị for female. Nwanyị for female. Nwanne nwanyị, sister. Sister. Nwannem nwanyị. Nwannem nwanyị, my sister. We've known the meaning of nwanne, that is the child of my mother. Then telling us whether it is a male or a female, indicating whether it is for a brother or a sister. Then you put nwoke. Nwoke for male, nwanyị for female. Nwoke for male, nwanyị for female. So we have nwanne nwoke for brother. Nwanne nwanyị for sister. Di. which means husband. Husband. The husband. So it's literally 2 letter words for the husband. Husband. The. So if you're trying to get married to an Igbo man, that Igbo man that is striking you, please accept him. And then you can now refer to him as Dim, my husband. Dim, my husband. Then we have Munye. 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 Meaning wife. Wife. Munye. Wife. Munyem, my wife. Munyanyi, our wife. We have Nna Ochie. Nna Ochie, which means grandfather. Nna Ochie, grandfather. Nna, father. Ochie. Ochie can mean someone or something that is old. Ochie simply means old. So if you are trying to talk about your old father, that is your grandfather. Nna Ochie, grandfather. Or you can also refer to your grandfather as Nna Nnam. Nna Nna, that is the father of my father. Nna Nna, father of my father. Or Nna Ochie, old father, that is grandfather. Nna Ochie, grandfather, both from the maternal and the paternal side. Nna Ochie, grandfather. We have Nne Ochie. Nne Ochie, grandmother. Grandmother. Nne Ochie, grandmother. She can also be referred to as Nne Nne, that is the mother of my mother. Nne Nne, the mother of my mother. Or Nne Nnam, the mother of my father. Nne Nna, the mother of father. Putting the m or adding the m to it means personalizing it. Nne Nnem, mother of my mother. Nne Nnam, mother of my father. We have Nwa Nwanne nke Nwanyi. Nwa Nwanne nke Nwanyi. We've come to the conclusion that Nwanne is the sibling. Nwa, child. Nwanyi for female. So putting them together, we have the child of my sibling, that is a girl. The child of my sibling, that is female. The child of my sibling, that is female. That is the child of your brother or the child of your sister is being referred to as your niece. Niece. The female child of your brother or the female child of your sister is being referred to as niece. Niece, which is translated as Nwa Nwanne nke Nwanyi. Nwa Nwanne nke Nwanyi. So if you want to tell about your niece, say Nwa Nwannem nke Nwanyi. Nwa Nwannem nke Nwanyi. Then if you're talking about your sister's child, your sister's female child, which is your niece, Nwa Nwannem Nwanyi nke Nwanyi. Nwa Nwannem Nwanyi. The Nwannem Nwanyi is telling us that it's your sister, the child of your sister. Nwa Nwannem Nwanyi nke Nwanyi. For the nephew, we have Nwa Nwanne nke Nwoke. Nwa Nwanne nke Nwoke. Nwa Nwanne nke Nwoke, which is the nephew. The niece is nke Nwanyi, nephew nke Nwoke. We have Ogo. Ogo, which means in-law. In-law. Ogo. In-law. You're trying to know how the in-laws are part of the family. Yes, in the Igbo setting, the in-laws are part of your family. Once you're married into a family, automatically the in-laws becomes a part of that family. Ogo, in-law. If you want to refer to your in-laws, maybe in a group, you now add ndi ogo, in-laws. Ndi ogo, in-laws. Ndi ogo, in-laws. Then, as we all know that ogo is for in-laws. Ogo for in-law. Then how do you now refer to your mother-in-law? If you are a woman, how do you refer to your mother-in-law? What do you call your mother-in-law? You simply call her Nnedi. Nnedi. Nne for mother, di husband, which means the mother of my husband. Nnedi. Nnedi, mother-in-law for female. Nnadi. Nnadi, father-in-law. Nnadi, father-in-law, also for female. So if you are a female, you just got married to an Igbo man, or you're planning to get married to an Igbo man, what do you call your father-in-law? Nnadim. Nnadim. Or your mother-in-law, Nnedim. Nnedim. This shouldn't stop you from getting married to an Igbo man, because now you know what to call your father-in-law and what to call your mother-in-law. We move over to Nnewunye. Nnewunye, that is the mother of wife, the mother of the wife. This is for the male. This is for the male. Nnewunye is what you call your mother-in-law. Your mother-in-law is Nnewunyegi. Your mother-in-law is Nnewunyegi. Then if you're referring to yourself, Nnewunyem, my mother-in-law. Nnawunye. Nnawunye, father-in-law. Nnawunyem, my father-in-law. Let's take it again. If you are a man, if you are a male, and you want to refer to your mother-in-law, you call her Nnewunye. If you want to refer to your father-in-law, you call him Nnawunye. But if you are a lady, you want to refer to your mother-in-law, Nnedi. If you want to refer to your father-in-law, Nnadi. Then, for the firstborn son in the family, we call them Okpara. Okpara. Some people do call them Opara, but here we have Okpara. They are still the same thing. Okpara. Okpara for the first son of the family. Ada. Ada for the first daughter of the family. So if you are a first daughter, ndị Igbo si ndị ada na-ata ukwu anụ. So if you are the first daughter in the family, Golibe, Ngoriba, Nebo, ada na-ata ukwu anụ. The first daughter of the family. Ada, the first son of the family. Okpara. Write your comments below if you are any of these, Ada or Okpara. Then we have the Ikwu na Ibe. 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 This is a general term for the relatives. Your grandmother, the elder sister of your father's late brother, and all that. Once the person is related to you, you can call the person Ikwu na Ibe, meaning your relatives. Your grandfather's elder sister that married your grandmother, that gave birth to your cousin, they are all referred to as Ikwu na Ibe. Ikwu na Ibe. So the general term for the relatives in the family is ikwu na ibe. That brings us to the end of our lesson today, the members of the family. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe in order to get notification whenever we drop a new video. Till I come your way again with another interesting video. Asụsụ Igbo amaka, asụsụ Igbo ga-adị. Bye.